So new tab to type, this is model number of this, and go click on the first link, which is www.msci. This is official, just click on it. Then this is extract, and click on support, and click on BIOS and select the driver. Then select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. Then this is driver, chipset driver. So click to download. After that, select the onboard VGA and click to download, and then click to LAN. So LAN, this is LAN driver, and click to download. Then this is Wi-Fi driver, download, and this is Bluetooth driver, download, and this is network driver, also download. After that, select the audio driver, and same, download this one, universal, and you can see it is start downloading. You can see. So it is completed. Then I show you how to install. So guys, after that some time it's completed, then you can see this is your required driver. Just click on full download history, and after that click on this folder where it is downloaded. Okay, so first guys, you can install directly, you just double click. Otherwise you can extract one by one in same location, and then you can install. Okay, so install directly, just double click to open, then VGA, and this is installer, double click, then click to yes. After that, loading the driver, and then install. Wait few seconds to install. It will take some time and depend about your system's other configuration. And very simple, next to install. So this is installing. After that, click on bring install. Now the checking the system configurations. After this is installed, and then closes. Then this is the LAN driver, just double click to open this folder, and this is setup, just double click to launch. And then click to yes. Now you can see this is preparing to install, and wait few seconds to installations. And then click to, and yes, after the installations, and then finish it, and then close. This is Intel driver of this. So double click to open, and require the all driver to install. This is a SATA drivers. So double click, and just RSTLs double click, and then click to yes. This driver is not mandatory to require to your monitor motherboard, and then quit and then close it. After that, this is audio driver. Just single click to open this folder and find out setup.exe, scroll down and just double click to launch. After that, require the administrator rights to click yes. Then next, now this is installing the audio driver. Wait few seconds to complete. So audio driver installing. So it is installed. So no reset letter to finish. When it is all completed, then restart. So this is chipset driver. Just double click to open and select this folder. To again, after that, double click to open, and this is setup chipset driver. So again, click to double click. After that, require the administrator rights to click to yes. Then next, accept, and then install. After that, click to yes. Now this is installing. So it is done, and then click to OK and then close. So guys, all the install and then restart your system. Thank you.